So this is curb rash that my Infinity decided it was going to roll over a curb. Watched some videos and decided that this is probably the easiest route. I took a rotary tool with a 80 grit sand flap roll on it, went ahead and just hit the entire area that was badly rashed. Some were too deep and you couldn't get out, and I assume if I hit it harder, longer, I would have been able to take it out. But this was the easiest option for me. I took that and I swapped it over to a 120 grit. I did the exact same thing. I covered around the areas and I just took my time. The scratches long it's going to take. And what I did was just overlap the area by several inches of either way, so you get a nice smooth sanding. This is in a polished rim or a chrome rim, so there's a lot of imperfections I can get away with without ever seeing them. And then here's again with a 220 roll. The 220 did really well and gets it really down and really shiny, and just overlapping all the deep scratches. You'll see them virtually disappear. The way it came out. Now you'll see that I'm going back and forth. I'm not putting a ton of pressure. I'm letting the tool do most of the work. And the reason for that is if I were to push down on it, it's going to burr it. You'll see noticeable waves, imperfections, and just be inconsistent all the way around. So you can see right there, there's another fairly deep gouge in the rim. In this case, we weren't doing too much, but I kept going because I kept kind of unsurfacing more scratches as I took the paint off. This right here is 1,000 grit sandpaper, and I'm wet sanding that same surface. You can kind of see the water moving back and forth. It's pretty dirty, but it's to be expected. And this will get off those finite scratches, superficial surface scratches that you just don't see a couple little dings in there, but those are just unavoidable. That's just a rim coat of rim paint. This is the worst part of the rim, and you can see that once it all is said and done, it looks new again, which is pretty cool. This is actually after I filed it down a little bit, but that was actually a lot worse. There it is after it's sanded. And that's all I got. This is an in-depth how-to. It's just to give you an idea of what I did. Thanks for watching.